Hello everyone. Now on to our next craft. First take an ovular shaped red color sheet. Take some yellow strips of paper and fold it over as such. Stick it to an orange sheet of paper and make a flower. Add some eyes and a mouth and add a green stem to the bottom of the flower and add detailing to the leaves. For our next craft, take a cup and cut it into strips as shown above. Take that and push it onto a flat surface. Roll each of the strips as shown above to different lengths and then you may draw a pair of eyes at the bottom of the cup. Do this with many colors and you have different flowers. Add some leaves as well with details. You may add a cup at the bottom. For our next craft, take a strip of paper and fold it as such multiple times. Stick it in the middle with another strip of paper and leave it aside. Now take a green strip of paper and fold it repeatedly as shown. Now stick it to either side of the yellow piece that you have formed and you have yourself a sunflower. Now for our next craft, take a circular sheet of yellow paper and then take another strip of paper where you make small ovals. Stick glue and stick all of the ovular sheets of paper as such. Take some clay and make it into a ball and press it in the center as shown above. Get some seeds either from outside and stick it as such and add a little stem at the bottom of your flower. Add some leaves and then add detailing to your leaves. And thank you for watching.